Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. This is 32-inch Sony LED TV. Now I am going to show you what is the problem in this TV. Guys, you can see here the display is completely broken. Now I am going to fix it. Let us see how to fix this problem. Guys, coming to back side, this is the 19.5 volt adapter. To repair this TV, we have to remove this back cover. Guys, you can see here, this is the motherboard of this TV and this is the model number. You can see here. This is the motherboard. To remove motherboard, we have to remove all the connectors. This is the display strip. To open up the display, we have to remove all the metal parts also. We also remove the stand of the LED TV. This is the stand of that. This is the scaler board of the display. You can see here. It has some lock. Then we have to remove the speakers also. To open up the display, we have to remove all the parts inside the LED TV. It is like time consuming process. Now we have to remove the front frame also. For that we have to use screwdriver and open it up. Like this we have to remove the front cover. After the front cover, it also has some lock. We have to remove that also. Guys, as I said earlier, this is the scaler board of this display. You can see it clearly. After removing all the side locks, now we have to remove the display. You can see here this display is broken. Guys, to repair this TV, we have only one solution, that is replacement of this display. Guys, whenever you replace the display, we have to remove the dust from this sheet. Keep it clean. After cleaning the sheet, we have to replace a new display. Here you can see this is the new display. We are replacing that display with this. We have to notice all the edges, if it is fitted or not. After that, fit the front cover as it is. Then fit the motherboard, all the metal parts and speakers as it is. This is the strip we are connecting to the display. Refit all the speakers, buttons also. This is the metal used for the stand. To fit the stand, we have to use this metal part. Then finally this cover. Fit all the screws. Guys, now all the fittings are completed. Now finally I am fitting the back cover screws. Guys, now I am connecting the adapter. Now we can see the result. Okay, now the TV is perfectly fixed. Wait a minute. Guys, now you can see here the broken display problem is fixed. The only way of fixing this broken display, that is replacement of the display. Now you can see the TV is in perfect condition. So that's all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.